Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup easily at home. First, gather your fresh ingredients like ripe tomatoes, a medium onion, a few cloves of garlic, and about 4 cups of vegetable broth. You'll also need a large pot, a cutting board, and a good knife. Begin by washing all your vegetables thoroughly and then roughly chopping them to prepare for cooking. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and garlic, sautéing them until they are fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add your chopped tomatoes and the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the vegetables are very soft. Once the vegetables are tender, carefully use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it's completely smooth and creamy. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can transfer the soup in batches to a regular blender. For extra richness, stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Finally, season your soup with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of sugar to enhance the tomato flavor. Your homemade tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with some fresh basil leaves or crunchy croutons for a delightful finish. This recipe typically yields about 4 generous servings, perfect for a cozy meal. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying dish that's much better than canned versions. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.